Home Remedies presents
Remove cracked heels and get soft feet permanently. Magical cracked heels home remedy. Feeling embarrassed to remove your shoes in public places because of cracked heel? Most of us do spend a lot of time taking care of our face, but the least importance is given to our feet, often completely ignored. Our kitchen is a repository of wonderful ingredients with healing properties and medicinal values that can cure many daily problems including cracked heels. Let's look how to make this remedy today to heal your cracked heels. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Ingredients: onion 1, baking soda ½ teaspoon, toothpaste 1 teaspoon. Directions: peel the onion, wash it and grate it to get a paste. Extract the juice of it in a bowl. Once done, add ½ teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of toothpaste to it. Mix thoroughly. Apply on cracked heels and massage 3 to 5 minutes. Then wash with plain water. Do it as required.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.